Welcome back to Part 8 of this 10-part introductory series on ArcGIS Online Map Viewer. In this video, we'll cover how to save your maps, where to find saved maps, and best practices for organizing your saved content. One important thing to know about Map Viewer is that unlike many web-based tools you might be used to, it does not autosave. If you close your browser window without saving, any unsaved work will be lost. So it's a good habit to save frequently as you go. If you can't remember if you've saved your map yet or not, there's an easy way to check. Above the panel on the left side, if you see the words Untitled Map, that means it hasn't been saved yet. Once you've saved your map and given it a title, that title will appear there. To save your map, on the left side of the screen, click Save and Open. The first time you save a map, select Save As. You'll be prompted to give your map a title. Make it something clear and descriptive. You can optionally add categories, tags, and a summary. When you're done, hit Save. Once your map has been saved once, you'll be able to use Save, not Save As, for subsequent saves. Use Save As on already saved projects only when you need to save a new copy under a different name. For example, if you want to experiment with a big change without overwriting your current version. To return to your map in a future session, navigate to the ISU ArcGIS Online homepage, click Content from the bar on the top, and find it in your list of created items. As you create more maps and upload more data, your content page can get cluttered quickly. Descriptive, consistent titles will save you a headache later on. A title like U.S. Population by County is going to be much easier to identify later than Map 1 or Untitled. Tags and categories are also worth filling out, even briefly, as they make your content searchable. In the next video, Part 9 of this series, we'll discuss sharing settings.